Hello students, I Sheetal Baria from Saraswat International Academy welcome you to the science class. Chapter number 4, Heat, Part 3. In this session, we shall go through the notes of this lesson. Heat. First question, choose the correct alternative from those given below each question. Number 1. Which liquid is used in thermometer? Options: water, spirit, mercury, kerosene. Answer is mercury. Next question. What is the range of temperature measured by the clinical thermometer? Options: from 10 degree to 30 degree Celsius, from 35 degree to 42 degree Celsius, from minus 10 degree to 110 degrees Celsius, last one from 40 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius, and the answer is from 35 degree to 42 degree Celsius. Question number 3. What is the range of temperature measured by the laboratory thermometer? Options: from 0 degree Celsius to 30 degree Celsius, from 35 degree Celsius to 42 degree Celsius, from minus 10 degree Celsius to 110 degree Celsius, from 40 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius. The answer is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Next question number 4. What is the normal rate temperature of a healthy human body? Options: 98.6 degrees Celsius, 37 degree Fahrenheit, 42 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius. The answer is 37 degree Celsius. Next question. When one end of aluminium rod is heated, then due to which mode of transfer of heat does its other end get heated? Aluminium rod. Remember that experiment. Through conduction, convection, radiation, all of the above. Answer is conduction. Next question, number 6. Which of the given objects gets heated due to conduction? Options: milk, water, air, iron. Answer is iron. Iron is a metal and solid object. It gets heated due to conduction. Number 7. Which of the following substances is a good conductor of heat? Ebonite, plastic, copper, wood. Answer: copper. Copper is a good conductor of heat. Next question. Which forms of substances are heated by mode of transfer of heat called convection? Only solid, only liquid, solid and liquid both, liquid and gaseous both. Answer is liquid and gaseous both. Number 9. Which of the following liquids is heated by conduction? Water, mercury, kerosene, milk. Answer is mercury. Next question. By which mode of transfer of heat does the heat come to us from the sun? Conduction, convection, radiation, all of the above. Answer is radiation, all of the. Question number 11. The substance of which color absorbs maximum amount of heat? White, green, red, black. Answer is black. Question number 12. What is the normal human body temperature? 96.8 degree Fahrenheit, 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, 37 degree Fahrenheit, 86.9 degree Fahrenheit. Answer is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Number 13. The breeze which flows from the land towards the sea at night is known as sea breeze, weather breeze, land breeze, none of the given. Answer is land breeze. Next question number 14. Ventilation in rooms occur due to conduction, convection, radiation, all of these. Convection. Number 15. Which temperature range is not measured by clinical thermometer? From 35 degree to 42 degree Celsius, from 94 degree Fahrenheit to 100 degree Fahrenheit, from 95 degree Fahrenheit to 105 degree Fahrenheit, from 45 degree Celsius to 60 degree Celsius. Answer is from 45 degree to 60 degree Celsius. Number 16. Which liquid gets heated by conduction? Water, castor oil, milk, mercury. Mercury. Define. First one, temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness of an object is called its temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness of an object is called its temperature. Next question, number 2. Good conductors of heat. The materials which allow heat to pass through them easily and speedily are called good conductors of heat. So, the conductors of heat means the materials which allow heat to pass through them easily and speedily are good conductors. Next one, number 3, bad conductors of heat. The materials which do not allow heat to pass through them are called bad conductors of heat. Next question, answer the following questions in one sentence. Number 1, what is the use of thermometer? Thermometer is used to measure the temperature of a substance. Thermometer is used to measure the temperature of a substance. Number 2, which type of thermometer is used by a nurse to measure the temperature of the patient? Which type of thermometer is used by a nurse to measure the temperature of patient? A nurse uses clinical thermometer to measure the temperature of a patient. Number 3. Is the body temperature of every person 37 degrees Celsius? No, the temperature of every person may not be 37. Which type of clothes give protection from cold in winter? Woolen clothes give protection from cold in winter. Number 5. Why do we wear white or light color cotton clothes during summer? White or light color cotton clothes absorb less amount of heat and reflects more heat. So in summer body remains cool. Number 6. What is the use of kink or constriction in the clinical thermometer? A kink or constriction prevents the mercury from falling down into the bulb on its own. Number 7. State the modes of transfer of heat. Answer. There are 3 modes of transfer of heat. conduction, convection, radiation. Number 8. What is heat? Heat is one form of energy. Number 9. How does heat transfer through liquid and gaseous substances? Heat gets transferred through liquid and gaseous substances by convection. Next question. Number 10. What is the sea breeze? Answer. In the coastal regions during the day, the flow of cool air from the sea towards the land to replace the hot air on land is called a sea breeze. Next question, number 11. What is the land breeze? In the coastal region during the night, the currents of air flow from the cooler land towards the warmer sea is called land breeze. Next, number 12. Why does the hot tea become cold after some time? Answer. Hot tea loses heat in the atmosphere by radiation, so it becomes cold after some time. Number 13. By which mode of transfer of heat does the milk in the vessel get heated? The milk in the vessel gets heated by convection. Milk is a liquid. Number 14. What is the SI unit of temperature? The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. 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 Number 15. Give two examples of good conductors of heat. Answer. Copper and iron as well as aluminium are two examples of good conductors of heat. Number 16. Give two examples of insulators. Plastic, wood, ebonite are two examples of insulators. What is the range of Fahrenheit scale in the clinical thermometer? The range of Fahrenheit scale is 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. Next question, give points of differences. First one, heat, temperature. What is the difference between heat and temperature? First point, heat is a form of energy. Temperature is a thermal condition of a body. Second one, normally heat flows from one object to another when there is a difference in temperature. Temperature is a quantity that indicates whether or not and in which direction heat will flow. Point number 3. Heat is the total amount of internal energy in a body. Temperature is the proportional to average kinetic energy of the molecules of a body. Number 4. Heat is a cause. Temperature is an effect. The SI unit is joule. Temperature's SI unit is Kelvin. Next question. Clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer. First point, it is used to measure the temperature of a human body. It is used to measure the temperature of a human body. Laboratory thermometer is used to measure the temperature of objects while performing experiment in a laboratory. Second point, clinical thermometer measures the temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, whereas the laboratory thermometer measures from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Number 3. there is a kink or constriction in clinical thermometer which prevents mercury level from falling down on its own. There is no kink or constriction in the laboratory thermometer. Next question number 3. Good conductors and bad conductors of heat. First point, the transfer of heat in such substance is fast. The transfer of heat in such substance is slow. Gold, silver, aluminium, copper are good conductors of heat. Metals. Then, second point in bad conductors, glass, plastic, ebonite, rubber, leather are bad conductors of. Question number 4, conduction and radiation. The flow of heat energy between the adjacent parts of a body due to the difference of temperature between them is called conduction. Radiation, all substances emit electromagnetic waves of certain definite frequencies depending on their temperature. Conduction is the mode of transfer of heat, medium is necessary. In radiation, in this mode, the transfer of heat, transmission of heat takes place to a very long distance even in the absence of a material medium. Number 3, the conduction mode of transfer of heat is slower than the radiation. Radiation mode of transfer of heat is fastest. Next one, land breeze, sea breeze. First point, the breeze generally flows from the land towards the sea. Sea breeze, the breeze generally flows from the sea towards the land. Land breeze occurs during the night. Sea breeze occurs during the day. Next question, conduction, convection. The flow of heat energy between the adjacent parts of the body due to the difference of temperature between them is called conduction. The flow of heat between the adjacent parts of the body due to the difference of temperature between them is called conduction. Convection is the mode of heat propagation in which heat moves from one place to another by the actual motion of material particles. Second point, solid substances get heated by this mode of transfer of heat. Liquid and gaseous substances get heated by convection.